Okay, got to expand this or multiply out 2 lots of x. It's 2x, and then 2 lots of 3y is plus, so it's going to be plus 2 3s 6. Do the numbers first, and then that leaves the y as well. 2x plus 6y. Expand and simplify. I put the things in here. I'll show you the grid method in a second, but I always do these things. But as soon as I draw one, work it out. X times x is x squared. Next thing, x times minus 5 is minus 5x. And then plus 2 times x is plus 2x. And then plus 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Gives you a clue, you can simplify it. So that gives me x squared minus 3x minus 10. And we've got to factorise this completely. Well, what goes in, is anything which goes into both of them exactly? Yeah, 5 goes into both, so I can take out a 5, and an x goes into both. So what do I have to times a 5x by to get 5x squared? Obviously that's just an x. And then what do I have to times the 5x by to get 15xy? Again, work out the sign first. It's going to be positive. It's going to have to be a positive here. 5 times 3 gives me 15, and then x is there, and I need a y. And this final one here, I've got to factorise this. What goes into both? Nothing goes in both, so therefore it's going to be a quadratic. So it's going to be 2 brackets. They're both going to have x at the front because it's just 1x squared here. And if I do the number times a number, that must give 49. So it's got to be 1 and 49 or 7 and 7. It's negative, so 1's going to be positive and 1's going to be negative. And I've got no x's, so pretty obviously it's going to be plus 7 and minus 7. And you could check that if you want to get x squared. Minus 7x's plus 7x's will be no x's, minus 49. I did say we'd come back to this one. You could, if you wanted to, do the grid method. Lots of people do this. That's x plus 2, doesn't matter which order they go in, and x minus 5. And now multiply out to get the areas of these little rectangles. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. X times minus 5 is minus 5x. And minus 5 times 2 is minus 10. Link these together to get minus 3x, and we get exactly the same answer as here. Your choice. Both equally good. And that's 3 done.